He has vicious vivacity, that is, he is natural and lively in vicious or cruel behavior, which is deliberate brutality. It could never become the law. Hypostatize as an eternal principle because of the behavior which symbolizes his nature and in which the desire for self-liquidation inherent is inoppositely. Both choice A and B mean naive, as we have to fill the blank with an appropriate answer so we can eliminate the both of the choices. Moreover, choice A and B mean naive or having or showing too great a readiness to believe things. A person with cruelty can never be naive. Besides, a person with such negative vibe cannot be benignant or clement. So choice D is also eliminated with choice A and B. Desolate as choice C mean bleakly and depressingly empty or bare. The passage does not describe anything symbolizes this. Moreover, we can see that he is a lively person in cruelty, which is against the depression, and he cannot be bleakly empty, as the passage deals with his cruelty regarding the reality of the fluctuation in the system of law, which is resulted from his vicious vivacity. So choice C is also eliminated. Only choice E given as sadistic means brutal or cruel, which makes sense to fit the blank with respect to the passage. So the correct answer is choice E.